Now, you can't start an apocalypse with stock exhaust tips. They need to hear you coming when you're coming down and you're So we're gonna change those for these.
Yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather. That is not an easy thing to do. Let's do this. Welcome, folks. Flip9 here. Today I'm gonna put on the new exhaust tips on my Bonneville T120.
Alright, so to remove this pea shooter is pretty freaking simple. Got one there, then you gotta take off the passenger peg. Gone. This little thing right there. Careful not to lose that when you're taking off the passenger pegs. Theoretically speaking, that's it. It's the first time I've ever done anything on a motorcycle completely by myself. I'm really scared. You ever build an IKEA cabinet, have leftover parts, and wonder that it's gonna fall on you? Well, moment of truth. Let's see what it sounds like.
Ah, yes. Ah, yeah. Don't vibrate like a Harley, but it does sound like one now.
Trying to get some McDonald's eat.
I ain't got nothing, man. When it comes to the apocalypse, you need a motorcycle. Motorcycles, the official vehicle of the apocalypse.
That sounds awesome. Now people know that I'm right next to them. That was an extremely simple install. It should have taken me half an hour. It took me over an hour. Shelby made sure to make fun of me for that. Thanks, Shelby. But yeah, no. Shelby made sure to point out that it took me over an hour or something, that I said that should only take 10 minutes. And when you are wrenching on your motorcycle, and it should only take you an hour or so. What people don't understand most of the time is just how much longer it takes to do the simplest things when you're trying to record it. Because I'm gonna switch over to this side, I gotta move the camera from here to there, I gotta point it down in that direction because the handlebar has been in this direction or that direction. It's not easy. You gotta frame it up, and I use GoPros a lot, so I gotta pull out my phone, I gotta connect it to the Wi-Fi, I gotta make sure it's pointed in the right direction. Yeah. Anytime that you see somebody wrenching on YouTube, remember it took that person twice as long, but whatever. I did it by myself for the first time. It gave me way too much confidence for not doing anything. I texted Dylan once or twice. He was helpful. Yeah, it sounds like a real motorcycle. I had a freaking fun day. I got to put my bike, I got to stick my motorcycle and then lift, and I got to chalk it up all by myself. I grabbed tools, the right tools, the second time. I knew what I needed. I laid it out all pretty like and shit. I don't know. The apocalypse is right on the corner. And this motorcycle sounds a whole lot meaner. Well, folks, I'm back on the island. Almost home. I'm going to go ahead and quarantine myself for a couple of days because that's what we all should do right now. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. As always, everybody, catch you all in the next one. Whoop!